Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is multiplication by 5. From now on, we'll be using the simplified half of the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually, half of 1 is 1 half, or half of 5 is 2 and 1 half. But for purposes of these techniques in multiplication by 5 and the next numbers, we have to drop the fractions or the decimals. For the even numbers, there is no problem. Just as 1 is half of 2, or 2 is half of 4, and so on, it does not matter. Now, actually, the technique is amazing because we are to use the neighbor of the number that we work with to get the products. This number is only a guide or indicator. Let us have an example. Shall we say 4, 8, 6 times 5. Okay. Now remember in our earlier video that we have to write 0 before the first number or before 4 to remind us that we shall not stop at 4 immediately, because each number in the multiplicand must be used twice. So this is the standard format. You must have the 0 before the first number. Okay, now let's start. The first number that we will work is 6. Okay? 6 is even. It has no neighbor. So just write down 0. 8 is even. It has a neighbor 6. So half of 6 is 3. It's even again. So half of 8 is 4. 0 is even. So half of 4 is 2. So the answer is 2,430. Very simple and very fast. When you make it fast, it's really fast, just a few seconds. Now, this multiplicand is composed of even numbers. Suppose we will have a number which has odd digits, like, shall we say, 8, 5, 7 times 5, 8. So write 0, and then, now this is 8. Okay. 7 is odd. It has no neighbor. So write down 5. 5 is odd. So take 5 plus half of its neighbor, which is 7. So this is 5 and 3 is 8. 8 is even. So take half of 5, which is 2. 0 is even. Take half of 8, which is 4. So the answer is 4,285. Very simple. Elementary students can do this. Very simple. Now, suppose we will try to multiply large or take bigger numbers, like this one. We'll see. Composed of even numbers. So, 2, it has no neighbor, so this is 0. 4, that is even, so half of 2 is 1. Even again, half of 4 is 2. Even again, half of 6 is 3. Even, half of 4 is 2. Even, half of 2 is 1. Even, half of 8 is 4. So the answer is 4,123,210. How many seconds did we spend? Very fast. Okay, let's go to the next number. This is 3. So take 5. Even, take half of 3. And take 5 plus half of 2. So this is 6. Even, take half of 5 is 2. Even, take half of 8 is 4. 5 is add, take half of 4, which is 2. No. 5. Take 5 plus half of 2, 4, which is 2. This must be 7. I am dreaming. Okay? And take 5 plus half of 4, it is 7. Even, take half of 5, this is 2. So, the answer is 2,742,615. How many seconds did we spend? Very fast. That's why in our earlier videos, I suggested that you practice mental calculations, additions of numbers, the taking the doubles of the numbers, so you can make it fast. Instead of saying 3 is odd, so I will take 5. It has no neighbor, so I will write down 5. Or 2 is even, so I will just take half of 3, which is 1. You do not have to do it anymore. By just looking at 3, write down 5, because this is odd, and it has no neighbor. And then, looking at 2, take half of the 3 immediately. You write down 1. Once you have that, once you have practiced that mentally, the calculations or the additions mentally, your taking of the products of the numbers, your multiplication of the numbers is very fast. Just in seconds. Now, you may wonder, or you may find it a problem on how to remember this procedure. So, I will write down the rules for you to remember. So, let us have rules. So, 1, if even, meaning if the number is even, can you read my handwriting? If even, take half of the neighbor. Is that legible? Okay, number 2. Rule 2. if add, if the number is add, take 5 plus half of the neighbor. So with these rules, you can immediately connect the calculations. It's always better to have the rules written so you can immediately remember the procedure. So, okay. Please subscribe and share so others may also know this procedure, this fast but easy technique in multiplications, because more videos are coming. Thank you.